Hey, what's up y'all? Talentscowt coming at you with another video. I'm your host Terrence Godfrey, and last week was a pretty dope week. One thing really stood out to me, which is what I want to share with you today. So the company I work with, Amplitude Analytics, partnered up with 4 other organizations, Branch, Braze, Imparticle, and Radar, to create this program, or grant, or whatever the right term is, called Tech for Black Founders. So in Silicon Valley, it's pretty well-known information, well, at least it's well-known now, that less than 1% of venture capitalist funding goes towards Black founders of businesses. And with the current climate, more people are becoming aware of the inequalities that Black Americans face on a day-to-day basis. And with that awareness, a lot of leadership from a lot of different companies are stepping forward and doing what they can to make it a more equitable field, which is what led to this program right here, Tech for Black Founders. So here's how the program is set up. So it's for North America-based companies with Black founders, or now the companies need to have received less than 30 million in venture capitalist funding and employ less than 150 people. Now, the way we came up with 30 million in funding is if you have less than that, it becomes pretty difficult to afford enterprise software solutions. They're very expensive. So the softwares in this program sell on average about $60,000 each per year. So this program is actually worth $300,000 per year right now. Spoiler alert, I can't say who it is yet, but we're in talks with more organizations, so the value of this package is only going to grow. I'll give updates as more partners agree and come on board to this program, but it's so sick. Other cool thing is, this program is not a one-time thing. It's not just you get to use the software for 1 year and that's it. As long as an organization meets these criteria, they get to be enrolled in this program in perpetuity. And there's no limit to the amount of people that are being accepted. So this is one of those non-performative, allyship measures. This is big. This could easily end up being a package worth $1 million per year, which is so crazy and awesome to me, because there's so much innovation that is stifled because people are unable to get the VC funding. Now I'm going to go and do a brief overview of each one of these programs later on in the video, but just think about it this way. How much more innovation will we see when communities that were once overlooked and not given funding, now money's not really the issue. They have access to best-in-class tools and can make whatever they're thinking a reality. I think we're going to be seeing a lot more innovation, and this might end up being the most entrepreneurial decade ever. So I'm excited. But yeah, now to the overview of the different softwares. All right, so the first one up is Amplitude. That's actually where I work. So pretty much Amplitude, it's a product intelligence platform that helps companies understand what their users are doing in and across all of their digital products. So they can then take those insights and iterate and build better product experiences. Because, well, obviously, the better your product experience is, the more likely people are to use you, and the less likely they are to leave you. And next up is Branch. So Branch is a deep linking tool. And here's an example of what deep linking is. So say someone sends you like a restaurant on Yelp to you via text. So if you just click the link, typically it would just open up like the mobile version of Yelp, which is not the best experience ever. But deep linking, it's the ability to click that link and show directly a piece of content within an app. So if you don't have the app downloaded, that's what actually, pulls up the app store to download the app. And then once you download and install it, it opens up the exact thing. It's one of those small things that many people don't think about, but when you have that experience, it really, just in the mind, it makes you really appreciate the platform a lot more. And next up, we've got Braze. So Braze is a customer engagement platform. It actually links up really well with Amplitude. They follow the customer journey, and throughout that journey, they help you do the push app notifications that are customized to wherever they are and to them. Because 2020, one-size-fits-all solutions don't work anymore. A customized solution is a way to keep a user engaged into your platform, and Braze really helps organizations focus on that. Another extremely powerful tool is Imparticle. So think of Imparticle as a data connector. So a lot of organizations, they collect data on all sorts of different things from their users and they store it all in a bunch of different locations. What Imparticle does is it helps you connect all of those different data silos into one thing, like one master key which is then able to push all of that data to other programs like Amplitude or to Braze. So the idea is, instead of having to map from each different location, it's now all in one easy to use flip of a switch into all of your other data analysis tools. And another really powerful tool is Radar. It's location data infrastructure. So in some applications, they'll give you a different experience based on where you are physically. And Radar gives you access to that geofencing and a lot of other location-based services. They're super big on privacy to make sure that your user's location is secure. So yeah, as a quick recap, obviously I'm extremely excited about this program. Just with the whole current climate going on and seeing organizations step up and do something that'll have a lasting impact for years and years to come, it's just wow. And I can't say who yet, but I know there are more meetings taking place. More organizations are looking to join this program. This is going to be such a powerful thing. Honestly, this might even inspire me within the next few years to start my own tech company. I have a few ideas that honestly, one of the biggest hurdles for me, I was like, okay, I just need to make all of my money first and then like bootstrap it. But now knowing that I have the ability to use these best-in-class tools, that takes the barrier to entry way down. So it can be focused on just iterate, make the best thing possible, it is so awesome. So yeah, with this video, please share this with all North American-based, just Black founders or would want to be founders, any product people, even sales people. That literally share this with everyone Black. This is going to be a game changer. Yeah, I am at a loss for words. I am so proud to be working for an organization that is at the forefront of this. I'm so happy that who they've chosen as technology partners in the past are also so quick to jump on board to this initiative. Yeah, 2020 has been quite a year so far, but it might just end up being the most impactful year since like the year one. So we're going to look back on this. This is a lot. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.